Hello my beautiful people, Richard Harrison here with you today with another video, and this is going to be a MyEcon tutorial and how to get more sales and more signups and more leads and traffic to your MyEcon business. Okay, first of all, I want to take the time out to thank all of my subscribers, all of you all who have just subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead on and hit the subscribe button, and so you can hit that notification bell as well so you'll be notified when I do other videos. So this is a MyEcon tutorial. Now understand, this method, this strategy can be used for any business that you're in, and not necessarily just for MyEcon, but whatever business that you may be in, so you can apply this strategy to your business. Okay, so the first mistake I see that a lot of people make is they want to send people to their corporate website. Okay, they want to send them to their corporate website with all of this information on it, and what that does is that confuses the people. The people don't know where to go from there. They don't know what to do. So what happens is, when they come to your website, they leave your website simply because they don't know what to do. They bounce, and you have no way of contacting that person ever again. So don't make that mistake of ever sending people to your corporate website, you know, to your main website. That's where you want them to end up last in the process. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to have you a marketing system. Okay, you make sure you have a marketing system, and what a marketing system is a funnel system that takes your prospects or leads through the process of becoming partners with you in your business or joining you in your business opportunity. So it's just a process in which you take your leads through. Okay, so it's just like Walmart. Walmart takes you through a process. When you go into Walmart, you walk in the door, you have entered into their funnel. Now, unless you know specifically what you're looking for, then you have no idea where to go unless you know what you're looking for. So in this process, we want to make sure the people know specifically what it is that they're getting into, because here's the thing. If they look at your ad and your ad says one thing, and they get to your capture page and your capture page says another thing, you have lost them right there. There's no need for them to enter their information. There's no need for them to clock in or enter their info or join on your list, because you confused them right out of the door. So here's the process in which I like to take people through into my sales funnel with a marketing system. The first thing I want them to do is I want them to come to a capture page. Now on that capture page, you can have text or you can have a short video. That depends upon what you want to do. Okay, so I'm just going to say text, and then you're going to have what is called an opt-in box, where you're going to collect their first name and their email address, or if you want their phone number, you can have that as well. So this is the capture page. This is where people are going to come into your funnel. Okay, now understand something. I mentioned this before, and I get back to it again. Whatever ad you use here to get them here, it needs to stay congruent throughout the whole process. Okay, so when they hit your capture page, the next thing you want to do is you want to take them to a landing page. Okay, and sometimes a landing page is also called a capture page. Okay, so on your landing page, have a video of yourself. This is the landing page. That is a video of yourself. You're branding yourself. You're giving people the opportunity to get to know who you are, who they're going to be working with if they decide that they want to work with you. Okay, in this video, it doesn't have to be a long video. You just want to thank them. You want to introduce yourself. You want to thank them, and just kind of, you know, give them a feel for who you are, so they'll begin that know, like, and trust factor with you. Okay, so however length you want the video to be, that's totally up to you. It doesn't have to be that long. Just give the people an option to see your face. Okay, and then you want to give them the button. Okay, that button to go to the next step. Okay, also when they hit that button, they're going to go to a presentation, not directly to the website, but a presentation. Okay. That's your presentation video. I'm gonna put this PP per presentation page. This is going to give them an overview of what your company's business is all about. It's going to give them the compensation plan. It's going to give them testimonies. It's going to give them an overview of the company overall, of the products or the services, whatever you know it is that the company is offering at that time. Okay, so you want to make sure you have a presentation. Your presentation is what's going to do all of the selling and telling for you. That if the person has any questions when they call you back, you know they shouldn't have that many questions, but if they have any questions, the video will have done all of the explaining and telling for you. It does the selling and the telling for you. Okay, so you need to understand that and realize that that's what the presentation video. Now, if they have some questions, that shouldn't be many after they go through that process, then you just answer the simple question and then you're ready to make the close. From your presentation page on there, then you take the person to your WS, to your website. Okay, then you take them to your website. Now, this is my suggestion to you. From the time a person has seen the presentation, when they go to my website, I don't want to take them just to the website. Okay, and there's a reason for that. If they have seen the presentation, I want them to go to website sign up page. I want them to go to the sign up page so they can sign up, because the presentation has already done all of the explaining of what it is for you. I want them to go to the sign up page so they can get signed up, and then they can make a sound decision. Then they're ready to join your business after they have made a sound decision in this step here. Okay, another important reason why you want to have a system is you need to be building your email list. Now, a lot of people tell you that an email list is not important. I'm here to tell you an email list is important, because an email list is your asset. Understand something. You want here at this point, you're building an email list. Okay, I'm just gonna put a couple little boxes on here, you know, that shows email. And you want to have about seven emails throughout the process, because it takes at least 7 to 12 times for somebody to see your offer before they join you in your business opportunity or whatever it is that you have. Okay, so while you are sending them emails, okay, you're still branding yourself. Make your first email, let your first email be a video of you just introducing yourself again and telling how the business helped you out. Okay, put that in your first video. Then you want to provide, instead of just selling, provide value in your videos. Okay, give them value. Stop just trying to sell. Give them value. Show them how you're going to help them through the process once they get signed up. Okay, because if you give value in your emails and in your videos that you send them, then that's going to most likely help them convert and close in on your business opportunity as well. Now, understand something. What you're doing here in this process on the landing page is you're building that know, like, and trust factor here, and here as well. Okay, so that's what you want to do. You want to be building a know like people have to get to know you. If you're marketing to cold market, people that don't know you, it's going to be hard to get a sale. But once you get them in your funnel, then they become your warm market. And when you get them in your funnel and you keep giving them value, you keep educating them, then they start to trust you more, and then they'll begin to work with you and join your business opportunity. Or for that matter, if you email them something else that's beneficial to them, then they'll be willing to go and join that or pick up that product as well on the back end. Okay, so now you have that. But then the next thing comes is, what about traffic? How do you get traffic to this? You have the system. Okay, you have the system set up, you got your email set up, you have everything connected, you're building the know like trust factor, you have all of that those things in order. So what do you do next? The next thing you want to do is flood your capture page with traffic. Okay, and traffic can come from different places. You have Facebook ads, free Facebook ads, and free marketing strategies on Facebook using the groups and things of that nature. Okay, you also have Bing ads, Google ads, YouTube videos and ads. Okay, those are things that you can use to just flood this capture page with traffic. Okay, also you have solo ads. Okay, that's another traffic source that you can use to, you know, get people to come and check out your business opportunity. Mind you that unless you have a YouTube channel already built up and where people already know you, they like you, then you're marketing to cold traffic when you do solo ads. You're marketing to cold traffic on Bing ads and Google ads and Facebook ads. Okay, people don't know you, they don't have no idea about you, and it's hard to sell to cold traffic. Okay, so you have to turn that cold traffic from cold, warm to hot. Okay, so you want to flood this with, you know, with all kinds of traffic. But here's the thing, and this is very key, and this is very important, and I really want you to grasp this. As I said, whatever your ad says, it needs to say the same thing on your capture page. It needs to be congruent on your landing page. It needs to be congruent on your presentation page. It needs to be congruent with your website, and it also needs to be congruent with your emails throughout the entire process. If your ad says how to make $2,000 per week without bugging your families and friends, then when they come to your capture page, it needs to say 3 tips for making $2,000 a week without bugging your family and friends, or without recruiting, you know, without bugging your family and friends. The video, this is you introducing yourself. You're just going to simply tell them, hi, my name is Richard Harrison, and you're here because you want to know how to get 2,000 leads without bugging your family and friends. Well, I'm glad you stopped by here, and I want to thank you. So what I want you to do now is click that button below. Watch the presentation that's going to explain to you exactly how you're able to get 2,000 leads, you know, without bugging your family and friends. Okay, then you move on to the presentation page, and then you show them or the video that you have in that presentation needs to show them exactly what you told them that you was going to do in the ad, in the capture page, in the video. And then when they get to your website needs to be about that. Now that was just an example, so you would have to look at your business and structure your funnel system around that business opportunity, or whatever it is that you're selling, or whatever it is that you are doing. Okay, so that's pretty much the basics of it. Now, how to get traffic, this is where you get it from, but how to get it is a different thing, you know. But that's another video that I would have to put out, how to exactly get traffic. What do you need to say in your messages? What do you need to say in your ad? What do you need to say in your emails, you know, and things like that. So with that being said, that's my MyEcon, you know, tutorial on how to get sales and leads and sales with MyEcon. Now understand something. MyEcon is a financial success company. We all know that. But you're going to need a system with MyEcon. And we have a system. Let me erase this. We have a system called Income Shift Pro. Okay, now Income Shift Pro has everything that you need to run your MyEcon business. It has everything that you need. It goes hand in hand. It is specifically for MyEcon. Okay, you have the AR, you have the autoresponder. Okay, you have and the autoresponder. I'm gonna put B, broadcaster. Okay, you have SMS, B, broadcaster, and SMS messages, okay, that you can send out to your leads. Not only that, they also have tracking, okay, in there, so that you have your stats, you have that inside of the system. But more importantly, if they have training inside of this system. Now they have everything you need. We also have weekly trainings inside of this system, not inside of the system, but weekly trainings on Thursday nights. We have training on Sunday nights. Okay, we have training throughout the week with MyEcon period, so you can lock in on either one of those trainings and things like that. I love Income Shift Pro, you know, and if you don't have Income Shift Pro and you want another marketing system, I also have a marketing system called TCP, which is short for the Conversion Pros. Now the Conversion Pros can be used for any business. It's not necessarily just for a specific business. Whatever business opportunity you're in, the Conversion Pros can be used for that. So if you are in need of a standalone, you know, marketing system, then I recommend the Conversion Pros. It has everything that Income Shift Pro has. It has the autoresponder broadcaster. It has text and text message, you know, tracking and stats and things of that nature. Now, to join MyEcon is less than it is to take your whole family out to dinner. You join MyEcon, you get the Income Shift Pro system, and then you're good to go. Okay, so only thing you have to do is plug into the training, which is inside of the groups. Plug into the training, get started, and we'll get you going in the right direction. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got value out of this video. If you have any questions, please leave me a link in the description. Leave a comment in below. And if you want to get your hands on, join MyEcon and get the MyEcon Income Shift Pro system, I highly suggest that you click that link in the description and let's get you started today. There's no need, you know, no sense in you procrastinating or putting it off any longer. Let's go ahead and get you signed up with MyEcon today. Get you going in the right direction. Also, my information will be in the description if you want to contact me. My phone number, my Facebook, and will be in the description. So go ahead, give me a call and let's talk about it. If you have any questions, give me a call, hit me up on Facebook, and we'll get you going in the right direction. With that being said, y'all have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.